I gave you my heart.
Hi guys, so in this video I will be recreating rock buns from Maame P's kitchen. Okay, so this is our celebration for our 300 followers. Hi guys, so I want to say a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to each and every one of you. I thank God for our lives and the life of our families. I thank God for seeing us through this year, and I know 2021 is going to be an awesome year. Okay guys, so if you haven't subscribed, please pause the video and click on the subscription button and the notification bell for more update. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is the outcome of our rock buns. Yes, this is rock buns from Maame P's kitchen. Yeah, you can see it looking so yummy. Yep. Okay, so this is what we are using to celebrate our 300 followers, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate you for supporting, for clicking, for watching the videos and everything. And to my fellow YouTubers, I really appreciate you. Thank you all for the help and taking time to watch my videos. Thank you guys. I really appreciate. I don't know what to say, but I'm so grateful. And all right, thank you for watching. Oh, sorry, I forgot. We are crowning it up with some sobolo. So guys, watch out for sobolo recipe, and that is what I am enjoying it today with. So guys, get some, okay? I'll be uploading the recipe soon. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. And I will see you next time. Cheers. Bye.